Welcome to forever, man. Let's go. Come on. It's forever. No surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever.
Alright, so we got the hood off. You can kind of see this more. See what's going on there. Yeah, this, I'm missing the cap for the power steering, I see. And this, oh, look at that. When I push down on it, that's already trying to bow out. So maybe I'll just try to bend this down real quick. Anyways, up here, I super glued this crack so that it would mend together, and that all dried, and now I'm using 2-part epoxy over top of it to level it out. So I kind of covered the whole area with the 2-part epoxy that was cracked. We'll see what it looks like afterwards. I might not have to put anything on it, just leave it the way it is. But I'm going to have to go to the scrapyard to get that cap. Johnny's! Hopefully they have a cap. We need to see what else we can rob from some Hondas up there for this thing. Tomorrow would be the perfect opportunity to get a Johnny's, though, because I'm going up that way to get the parts for this. So I'm also going to be in the area where Clark's is at. It's in the same East Freedom, PA. It's where this place is at. So let me see if I can bend this back to shape.
This right here forever. I am just leaving a legacy. I am the one that they paid us. Got something to say to me, say. You know I've been waiting so patiently. This is my legacy. Y'all don't believe me, they wait. Basically, I have been running things. You can just go on and take a seat. Yeah. Love when they hated me, put that on everything. Not on my level. You can't be the enemy. This is the plan that we showing them anyway. Hit up the lawyers and give them the NDA. Woo! This is the brand new. This is the brand new. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. And there ain't no thing that you can take it from me. Man, it came from nothing. Made it something. Name is buzzing. Call me Ryan Gosling. Hey, gon' know that they gonna love me more when I'm gonna retire the throne. The kind of things that I'm gonna be feeling like a god, because this is forever. And there will be no surrender. Yeah. You know that this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. No surrender. It's forever. You know this right here forever. I'm bigger than alive. Bigger than alive. I'm bigger than alive. Than alive. Yeah. I'm bigger than alive. Bigger than alive.
So there you go. Find something sturdy and hook a ratchet strap to it and just go to town. And I still got a little bit of bending to do here to make it look perfect. And a lot of this is just sheet metal. So, like, look at that. I just bent that by hand. This bracket, this right here, probably needs to be bent this way. But we're going to be taking the radiator and the condenser out. I decided we're going to go ahead and order those. Because the radiator, if you look at it right here, pretty bent right there. I didn't even check the coolant level, so I mean, might not even have any coolant in it. And I'm pretty sure by that wet spot there that the condenser is leaking, even though the AC is working right now. Brand new condenser's cheap, radiator's cheap, and plus it busted right there, that tab that holds the coolant tank on. And I see the coolant tank cap is cracked too. It's not going to hurt anything, but yeah, it's also cracked. So I'll see if I can find one of those at a junkyard. But yeah, I'll be able to straighten some stuff out better once the radiator and the condenser's out. But as for right now, that's pretty good. This is surprising to me that this is not just bent to hell. It might be bent, but it doesn't look like it. If it's bent, it might be, I don't know. But it's loose because the headlight bolts into it. This is bolted to the headlight. And the part of the headlight was in here, and that's why it's loose now. And then the other part of the headlight is in here. So this part's normally bolted to it, and it's obviously not there anymore. But yeah, the light bulbs even survived. They're both good. The inner fender, I might be able to save. I might have to do some plastic welding. But yeah, this is busted, and then the other piece is laying over there by the bumper that bolts to the bumper. It's a little shredded right here, but I mean, it's gonna be, I think it'll be okay if we get it bolted up in here. But for right now, you know, just looks a little crappy. But we might just get it back together. Or, you know, if an inner fender is cheap, I might order one. But it's just, right now, I'm kind of sketchy about ordering anything because it takes forever. So, we might not. I might get creative and do a little bit of styling on this. Do a couple of things, you know, change the look of it. I need to put a cap on that before I forget. Alright, so off camera, I did some work. Did some more straightening over here. This actually looks really good. Only thing that is not straight is this fender mount. I'm sure that top one's probably out of place too. They're easy enough to bend around to the shape you need. You can kind of go off of this side. I straightened this out a little bit, which might need, you know, straightened out a little bit more. Got this more straight. Worked on this a little bit. Took all the bolts out. The condenser, radiator. Definitely gonna be replacing that. But that tab's busted. One of the fan tabs is busted right there. But there's several of those that hold it on. These are the brackets for the radiator. I just set them on top. These are the bolts for the condenser. I just set them on there. Took all that out. This headlight is still good. I might polish it up to make it look better. But we are replacing both of them. I'm putting new headlights in this. Already ordered. And I need to order the condenser and radiator. I'm going to do that right now. This bracket looks like it's okay. We'll find out. As you can see, it kind of tucks up around the headlight. That's all we need to do is make sure that it tucks up around the headlight, because all that does is the bumper clips into that and holds it in place, which I can see one of these tabs is bent. That one right there is bent down. We can just bend that back up so it's like that. So the bumper will clip in. That one's bent back a little bit. But I still think this is usable. Like I said, it's just stamped sheet metal, so it's easy to bend, and as you can see, it is bent right here. So I might work on that a little bit, just to kind of get it back to shape. But I'm going to stop here for today, jump back on this tomorrow, and we will drop the condenser and radiator out. I don't want to do it right now because I got to get my buddy over here to evac the air conditioning system, because it's still working, so it still has a charge. So I don't want to do that without, you know, doing it the right way. So I gotta wait for that. And then, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Like, subscribe. Oh, sorry, I was just watching my last episode. Okay, so it's a common practice on my channel that I make mistakes. I made another mistake. So I told you the parts that I was getting for this car were close to like Clark's and Johnny's and stuff. I was wrong. I thought it said East Freedom, where he was from. It's New Freedom, which is over 2 hours away in a different direction. So I gotta go get these. I'm gonna go get them anyways. I was gonna take my truck, but I'm like, I can fit them in the Kia. So we're gonna take the Kia, go get these parts. Oh, it sucks, but yeah, that's gonna waste about 5 hours of my day today, and it's almost 11 o'clock. So yeah. It's going to be most of my day. When we get back, we'll slap them on the car. I ordered everything for the car last night, plus a couple little extras. You know, I don't have a key fob with the car, so I ordered a key fob. That's not a necessity, but I like, if the car has that technology, I like it to have it. I also decided just to order an inner fender. It was 21 bucks. To try to patch that one back together, yes, I could probably save myself, you know, 20 bucks, but it's really bad shape, actually. It's pretty busted up. And fingers crossed this bumper that I ordered is the right color. Regardless, I paid the same price for this painted bumper as I would to have bought an unpainted bumper that was new. So I'm not really out, but it looked like it had a bunch of scratches on the bottom of the bumper. But I have plans for that anyways, so I'm not really worried about that. Hey, you want to ride the New Freedom, PA? Hey. Hey. Why are you always sleeping during the day? It's playtime. Me and Ashley have come to the decision we are going to be paying the Camaro off. We're paying my Camaro off. It's been the only issue with trying to sell it. I've had 3 people interested, and they want it like now. Like, they don't want to have to pay me the and wait till the title comes and stuff so that it can be transferred. They think they can come give me the money and just roll with it, just take it. It's like, it doesn't work that way. I still owe on it. That we have to get the title, you know, it has to be paid off so that we can get the title. So it's fortunate we actually have enough to do it. So we're just going to go ahead and do that so we can fast track it, with the idea that it'll hopefully sell here sometime soon. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. The Camaro, that's where we're at with it. It still isn't sold, I still have it. So I have been driving it here and there just to, you know, keep the fluids moving so it doesn't sit there and rot, you know what I mean? But that's where we're at.
Living under mama's skirt, so she would never get hurt. Held tight by daddy's arms, so she could work all her charms. Oh, but everything comes to an end.
That guy was in a rush. He pulled in and started loading the parts before I even gave him cash, but I think he knew this was going to be a good deal. So hood hinges, hood, fender, paint, it's horrible shape. I'm going to have to sand the whole thing, smooth it out, maybe put a layer of primer on, but I have enough carbon fiber wrap to do the hood. So second time's the charm, maybe? I really shouldn't be here. That's what I say every time. Now somebody is reporting all of my Teespring merch as copyright, and they're taking all of my merch down. One at a time. I think there's like 11 or 12 items now, and they just keep coming. I'm gonna, you know, fight them, but I honestly, in the last 6 months, my payout on there is $29. That, yeah, I hardly sell anything, so I don't know what they're trying to do, but I really don't care. If my Teespring page goes down, I just won't sell merch. It's not like it's Teespring. They make the money off of it. I really don't. So it is what it is. So I hope they feel accomplished, whoever it is. You did me one. Now I have less stuff to do.
Oh, and everything comes to her.
No, that's not too bad. I mean, everything bolted up pretty good. Fits pretty decent. Once we get new headlights and get our bumper and stuff, we can get everything fitted up. Now, I don't have this bolted. It's tight. Plus, we still need to do some adjustments and stuff. And this needs a pin in it. But this hood is going to be fun, to say the least. I'm going to do a good bit of sanding, and I am going to use a paint gun instead of primer cans to prime this. I got the Shopline primer. Also got clear coat for maybe in the future, but I wanted to try this out. It's cheap. This was $25.99 at AutoZone. It says no mixing required, no recoat window. So we'll try that. I don't know how I feel about it, so figured I would try it anyways. I might try it on a different panel first. Like, I might sand the hood a little bit, just test it out on that and see how it turns out. But yeah, I mean, for $120, that's the hinges, the fender, and the hood. It's not too bad. Brand new radiator, brand new condenser coming, brand new headlights, and some other parts. The bumper should be the right color. No promises. I could fit that up and see how it looks. And just like that, that's the end of this episode. Actually, before we end this episode, I'm not going to make the mistake like I made on the Honda. Let's make sure the radio works, because I didn't check it. You guys are watching with me. Hey, we got sound. We have no stations here. Like, none. Alright, here's something I don't get. CD tape. Where's the tape deck? Am I missing it? What is this? No. Is there a tape deck I'm not seeing? I just thought about it, and I do have this Android deck. And I do have a Honda, if it fits, wiring harness kit. So, well, is that what this is? Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe we can put that in it. I don't know. So that's going to be it for this episode. So if you haven't yet, and you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel. If you liked it, hip thrust that freaking like button. If you didn't like the video, hit that dislike button and make sure you get all your chores done that your mother told you to. Head over to my Teespring page and see what is even left. If there's anything left, consider buying something before it's gone. And we'll see you on the next episode of Wreck.